Hi, my name is Rafe. I'm a mechanical engineer. After completion of my graduation, I was planning to work as an MEP engineer. So I started looking for the institute who offers MEP courses. So I got to know about KG Mech. I attended the demo classes. So after that, I decided to complete my course from here. Just after 15 days of classes, I was able to work in the field of HVAC drafting. I was very pleased with the highly qualified faculty here. They have well-equipped labs. You can practice it for a whole day. They give you projects to work, to get skilled. I would recommend every engineer who is to work in the fields of HVAC, MEP and REVIT modeling to come here and improve your professional skills and get hired.